Hey guys, we're here at Ravencliff Falls. It is right outside of Helen, Georgia. It's a 5.8 mile out and back trail and it's rated as moderate. It's actually just up the road from Dukes Creek Falls and Smithgall Woods State Park. This was actually the very first trail that we ever recorded when we started our YouTube channel, but we did it with only a GoPro and some really bad color grading and an awful soundtrack in the background. So we just wanted to come today and do an updated video. It's actually Labor Day weekend, so it's going to be pretty busy, but we're going to go enjoy the trail. So let's get going. Alright, so along the trail there's tons of beautiful camping spots. They're first come, first serve, but there are an abundance. Alright, so if you do come out here and camp, or if you're just coming out here to hike, make sure you pack out everything you've brought in so that everybody else can enjoy the nature and it doesn't harm the wildlife.
Oh, thank you. 100 likes and Rachel comes back and crawls in that hole.
I'm gonna have to lose 100 pounds. That'd be a toothpick.
Oh man. I love you too. Alright, so how do you like this trail so far?
I like it. It's really peaceful because you have the stream running by it the entire time. It's kind of packed today, but you still get nice moments. It's a nice trail. It's not, the weather's nice. It's not super hot. I remember the first time we came in like dead summer. I remember just sweating.
Yeah, it
feels nice today.
It was like 100 degrees when we came last time. Yep. It's like 70 right now, so.
It's really nice today.
Yeah. I think that's like, what, the third one that we have on video?
Tis Gary number 3.
Yep. Gary number 3. Alright, put Gary's shell back and some other snail can come get it. I don't know if that's how it works, like hermit crabs or not.
I don't think so.
Probably not.
Probably not. Alright, so there are a lot of smaller waterfalls along the trail, but this is the first big one that you'll see. But don't think it's the last one, because there's a really awesome one up ahead, and it comes down through 2 cliffs. It's really awesome. So we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. And if you are going to be coming through here, it is extremely slippery about where those people are walking. And
walking down the little dirt path down here. It's pretty steep, and it's kind of sandy. I slipped and twisted my knee backwards behind me like that.
Yeah, so hopefully her knee feels better and we can hike out of here without any problems, and when you get home you don't got no pain in it.
Alright, so there's another big waterfall right under me, and then one right there. They kind of connect. So those are like next 2 and 3 waterfall after that first one. About 30 foot. I'm not gonna go down there because I don't want to mess up my other leg. Have him tote me out of here. But the biggest waterfall is up ahead, so we're gonna go finally get there. So the trail is a dog-friendly trail. Just they have to be on a leash, and make sure you bring some baggies to clean up after them. We haven't seen any dog poop or anything along the trail today, so everybody's been cleaning up after them, even though there's been a lot of dogs. So if you've got your doggy pal, you can bring him along. Take your trash.
We're almost done with this hike. We got about, I don't know, maybe less than a mile left until we're to the actual cliff. But we decided, we found a little clearing where there ain't many people on the side of the trail, and the river is right in front of us. So we got a nice view, and we're about to eat a little packed lunch.
A little peaceful place to have a picnic.
Rehydrate.
Yeah.
But make sure you bring plenty of water, especially in Georgia. It gets extremely hot.
The rule of thumb is half a liter per hour, but that's just average. So adjust your water level to your plans, to the weather, to the length of the trail. Yeah. Last time we were here, it was hot.
Yeah, it was over 100 degrees, and
very hot.
Right now it's still cool. It's still probably in the mid 70s, so we're really enjoying it. Yeah, so we're gonna finish our lunch and then continue on to the trail, and we'll see you at the end. Alright, so as we wrapped up eating lunch and getting ready to pack all this stuff up and take our trash with us and finish this hike, I was sitting here talking to Rachel and like just remembering the last time we were here and the video like that we made, and it was just an over the shoulder camera GoPro. I bought a GoPro Hero Black and was like, I'm gonna learn how to edit film, and then I went and got that thing and got home and made it, and I was like, man, my abilities are not there right now. So I slapped a bad color grade on it, and then just some free music I found on YouTube, and that video, like, for whatever reason, still gets searched to this day and people watch it. I don't know why, but that's why we're here updating it. But yeah, it just like made me think, and I started it because I wanted to learn how to do film and just learn how to work those programs, and it was started out just as a learning project for me and just have somewhere to put that stuff. And then as the channel started growing with, you know, viewers and people commenting on our stuff, and like people subscribing. We realized like, hey, people like what we're doing, and so it became fun for us to do it like that, and you know, just upload weekly. And you know, we really wanted to just take the time to say thank you for, you know, all the support, subscribing, viewing our videos, like commenting on them. We really appreciate it.
We wouldn't be here without you.
Yeah, that's for sure. But I mean, I'd still probably making them. I'm still probably making videos, but thanks for watching. We didn't really think anybody would.
Yeah, thank you. Trail. It's a very popular trail, so come on a weekday and not a holiday weekend, so that you can get the most peaceful hike that you can get. It's a beautiful trail. It follows along the stream all the way up until this waterfall, and there's tons of little waterfalls along the way, so you get a beautiful view all throughout the trail. There's a ton of roots and rocks, so just be careful. And it's a pretty easy trail, pretty moderate, just the end gets pretty steep. But make sure you get to this waterfall because it's an awesome view. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Alright, so I decided to climb to the very top of Raven Cliff Falls. Pretty slippery. I wouldn't recommend it unless you're an active hiker. I wouldn't come up here if you just first time out. It's definitely off the beaten trail. You can come up here, but unless you're confident in hiking and that you're not going to slip on every rock, do not come up here. This is what the view you get at the top. You flip this around. My legs. I'm way down there. It's the bottom. That's what you can see through the actual cracks. And that was the waterfall behind the actual waterfall that came through both the cliffs. So this is what's actually feeding that other waterfall. And you get a, like another good 200 foot of elevation at least, and it's like almost straight up. Yeah, if you're confident, come up here. If not, then watch this video and take my word for it. It's pretty hard. And you pretty much breach the canopy. There's no trees up here, so you're in direct sunlight. Only good thing about coming up here, besides that one little view, is you get cell service. So all my notifications came in at one time, phone blew up. So anyway, if you need service, I guess it's the place to be. The rest of the trail is dead.